Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another limited edition beauty box to share with you. This time it's something for the men. This is the LOOKFANTASTIC and Mankind Father's Day grooming box. It contains 11 products. It has a value of £134 and can be purchased for £50. This box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. They have given me a code to share with you. You might already know it. It's Diary LF. It depends on the product added at basket because the code changes. Sometimes I can have 20% off an item or 25% off. Other times it's like 5% off. I've just had a look now before filming this, and if you use my code, you're able to purchase this box for £47. LOOKFANTASTIC gave me this code a little while ago, and it can be used on anything off their website except for the monthly beauty subscription boxes. So if you're interested in this box for yourself or any other limited editions that they currently have on their website, then you will find it down below in my description along with my code. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. That will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. So we get a card and it details everything about the products. Oh wow, I can smell. It's a really smelly box. Oh wow, it smells eucalyptus, lemons. I am useless at describing scents. I don't know. I'm sure we'll find out. First up, we have got a Daily Refresh shampoo by Menu, ultra concentrated, 100 ml. There's enough product in here for up to 120 shampoos. Oh my gosh. Experience super cleansed here with Menu Daily Refresh shampoo, a gentle yet effective formula that works to intensely hydrate and refresh the scalp. Next we got a product by Mayo. This is a Body Motivator Revitalising Gel, Hydrating, Cooling, Skin Relief. And there's 125 ml here. Oh, that sounds really lovely. Let's see what it says, what you use it for in particular. The lightweight formula glides across the skin, absorbing fast to avoid any kind of greasy, sticky residue being left over. Suitable to use both before and after exercise. The muscle gel drenches your skin an invigorating cocktail of botanical ingredients. Is that? Next we've got a natural deodorant by Bulldog Skincare, Peppermint and Eucalyptus. Crisp and invigorating scent, lasts for up to 24 hours and there's 75 ml there. Oh, let's smell it. I can smell the peppermint. Oh, it's just yummy. My husband's gonna love that. Infused with an all-natural prebiotic derived from powerful chicory roots, the deodorant works to offer 24-hour protection from sweat and odour. It's like a lucky dip now. I don't know what's in there. I just put my hands in and grabbing it all out. We have got a Medigate Surface Radiance Cleanser, Resurfacing AHA, BHA, Mangosteen Cleansing Gel. And there's 100 ml there. Medigate is a really, really gorgeous brand. I'm using the vitamin C serum at the moment and oh my gosh, my skin loves it. Really, really loves it, and I'm sure it's helping to combat pigmentation, which I normally get around this time of year, and I haven't got as much. So yeah, it's a really lovely brand. Gently exfoliating dead skin will be carefully buffed away to reveal a surface that's smoother and softer than ever before. Next we've got a Daily Moisturizer by Grum, 96% naturally derived, sensitive skins, fragrance free, and there's 50 ml here. The lightweight, fast-absorbing formula helps to minimise the look and feeling of dry skin, with antiseptic chamomile helping to lessen the appearance of redness and blemishes. Oh wow, I didn't know that. Got something for the hair. This is by American Crew Pomade. Pomade with medium hold and high shine, and there's 50 grams here. Oh, it has a nice smell. I wasn't expecting it to have a scent, but it has a really fresh smell. I can't describe it. Provides excellent hold while remaining pliable. Excellent for the slickest back look or rough texture high gloss styles. Next we've got a product by Elemis. This is Cool Down Body Wash, Recharging Body Wash. Refresh and revive the body. Magnesium arnica and birch sap cleanses, soothes and invigorates, and there's 200 ml there. Oh wow, that sounds amazing. Oh, it sounds really lovely. Maybe we can all use this. The gel-based formula washes away dirt and grime for skin that feels soft, smooth and hydrated. And then it goes on to telling you what I read off the front there. It's got a shower gel. Next, we've got a product by Molten Brown. This is Protecting Vitamin Lip Saver. And there's 7 mils here. A nourishing lip balm infused with vitamin E, this silky smooth balm leaves lips feeling soft to the touch. Then we've got a This Works nighttime spray. This is a Sleep Plus pillow spray, and there's 10 mils there. Infused with the calming floral notes of lavender, chamomile and vetiver, the spray lingers on bed linen and in the air, allowing you to breathe in the delicate fragrance as you drift off to sleep. Next up, we've got a sample of Cerave Moisturizing Lotion. There's 20 mils there. Quench thirsty skin with Cerave Facial Moisturizing Lotion, a lightweight and silky face cream that provides up to 24 hours of hydration. Then, as an added extra, they've added a perfume. Floral Street, fragrances powered by flowers, Black Lotus. That sounds really nice. What can I tell you about it though before I squirt it? A rebellious scent to inspire your wild side. Floral Streets Black Lotus Eau de Parfum intoxicates the senses with oriental wood notes. Okay, let's have a quick sniff then. Just to... Oh, that is gorgeous. I would love my husband to wear that. That is so nice. Yeah, it says rebellious, wild, intoxicating, feisty. So we've got a little added extra in there. Yeah, that's gorgeous. That is really lovely. So those are all the products inside this year's Look Fantastic and Mankind Father's Day gift box. It contains 11 different products. It has a value of £134 and can be bought currently for £50 unless you can find a discount code. If I can find a better discount code than my own, then I'll pop it down below as well. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know what you think of this box. How does it compare to previous boxes? Are you going to be buying it for yourselves or for a loved one? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.